beauties, welcome back to my channel. So let's go straight into unboxing what my family gifted me on my birthday. So the first one is this from my first daughter. It is from Ritual. Spread a little happiness everywhere you go. Actually, beauties, I've not used anything from Rituals, okay? I don't even know what is inside here, but we are going to open it together to see what is in here, okay? Yeah. Honestly, ooh. Can you see? And inside this bag, they wrote something. They said, happiness can be found in the smallest of things. It is our passion to turn everyday routines into more meaningful moments. The art of soulful living. This is beautiful. Okay. So what is this? It says 4 caring bestsellers, shower foam, body scrub, body cream, and body oil. Wow. The Ritual of Yozakura. I hope I got it right. Cherish the night. This, oh, look at the packaging. Look at the packaging. I love, love, love it. How am I going to open it? Oh my goodness. Wow. Like, you know, like I said, I've not used anything from Rituals, okay? So I don't even know where to start opening it. Can we get it open, beauties? Ah, like this. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Just this is the body scrub. This is beautiful. Let me see how it smells. Oh, it smells amazing. Amazing. Honestly, I've not used anything from Rituals. I don't know how my daughter come about this, but this is so kind of her. And then here is Rich Foaming Shower Gel. They have the same scent, kind of. And this is Rich Body Cream. We're going to test the body cream. Let's see how it is smelling. Oh, it is rich. When they said rich, it is rich. It smells so rich. I love it. I love it. And what about this? Ooh, shimmery body oil. Hey. Let me just drop a little bit. Let's see how our hands gonna. Wow. Can you see? Wow. When you want to show those sexy legs, or maybe you want to show your collarbone, you just apply it. This is so kind of her, honestly. I really appreciate baby girl. Yeah. And so, beauties, the next is my second daughter. You know one thing? I am so happy that my family knows that I don't play with self-care. Anything that will bring peace of mind to me, I always go for it. And they know that I am an advocate of self-care, self-love. Now, my second daughter, look at what she bought for mommy. Is that not beautiful? So beautiful. So, she bought eye and lip mask. So beautiful. And then she bought a bubble bath soap. Whenever I talk about bubble bath, I'm always happy. And how she knows that mommy really needs it, that means mommy has been practicing it at home, and they know that definitely mommy needs some relaxing, mommy needs some rejuvenating, mommy needs some self-care, self-love. So I love this. And then she bought a makeup wipe, sensitive makeup wipe. Sometimes you apply foundation or makeup at the back of my hand. I will just take it and do what? And clean it off. So handy. I love it. And then she bought also a earring in gold form because she knows that mommy loves gold color of jewelry than silver. Yeah, so kind of her. And then beauties, she also bought a facial mask for mommy. It is 2 sachets. I love me a good facial mask, honestly. And then she also bought me a shower gel in a hibiscus and cranberry scent. I'm going to use it tonight. I have been waiting to do this video before I can use this cream. Yeah. And then beauties, if you stopped me on the way and you said, please, can I have a chewing gum? You will not see this missing. Airwaves. It has such a cool menthol to it, okay? This chewing gum, you can't find it missing in my handbag, and so thoughtful of her to get me one. Yeah. And then beauties, you talk about, what did my husband gifted me? You know, anytime I am having my birthday and they said, what do you want for your birthday? I said, I need money. I need money. So what hubby did was, sorry beauties, I've already ripped, you know, the assignments. I've already ripped the envelope apart, and then hubby gifted me money, but I'm not going to say how much, but it is a huge amount of money to cater for my monthly makeup, skincare, whatever. So hubby, I really appreciate you. Okay. And then the money came with envelope, and he wrote quite a very nice, heart-warm felt message to me. Thank you so much, sweetie, for that amazing gift. And then beauties, my son, my first son, he gifted me 20 euro Amazon card. Another money, because he attached the money here apart from the Amazon card. So he wrote a very beautiful. When I read this on the day of my birthday, I had tears on my eyes. Okay, you know, when you are doing things for your kids and maybe your mind or in your subconscious mind, you feel like they are not saying it. But beauties, I tell you, they are saying what you are doing for them. When I read this, oh my goodness, I was like, you know, we celebrate the same birthday. He was also born on the 10th of June. I am so satisfied. I tapped my hand on my back and said, you are doing amazing. You know, sometimes this doubt, are you doing enough? Are you being there? Are you doing what you're supposed to do as a mom? But letters like this, words like this, give me the assurance, give me the go-ahead order that, mommy, you are doing amazing. Thank you so much, Gosi Sochukwu, for this amazing masterpiece that you wrote here. I really appreciate it, okay? And mommy will continue to be there for you all. Thank you so much. So, beauties, that's my gift from my family, okay, on my birthday. I hope you enjoyed this video. Tell me your highlights. All of them are my highlights, honestly. I don't want to start reading all these things because it is private, it is personal, okay? So all of them are all highlights for me, honestly. I did not expect it from them. You know, it sometimes feels so unreal when your kids started gifting you something. Like, you are the one that always gives them something. From nowhere, you have your birthday or Mother's Day or something like that, and you start receiving gifts from your children. It is a blessing. It is a blessing. And I'm using this media to reach out to all the moms who are still waiting on God. Keep on holding on. One day, you will also testify now that I am testifying, okay? Keep on holding on to God. There is nothing impossible with God, because he said that fruit of the womb is his reward to us. So keep reminding God that he hasn't rewarded you, okay? And I pray and I hope that one day this will also be your testimonies. Thank you all so much, beauties, for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, kindly give my video a thumbs up. Comment, tell me your highlights in all this. Like I said, all of them are my highlights, okay? So tell me your own in the comment section, and I will catch you all in my next video. Stay safe and stay blessed out there. Bye.